Good morning. Welcome. Monday morning, March 10th. Anyway, we got Frontier out here going to crib some mud spots out. Mud spot here right at milepost 10.5, a little after 10.5. So, anyway, that's where we're at here this morning. All right. Howdy and welcome to the show. It's going to be another good week on the rail. It's going to be nice and warm this week. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Can you get the other shot back?
Well, good morning. Tuesday morning here. Got a train come in. He's dumping. I had a little problem yesterday on the grapple truck. The ring gear up there at the top, big ring gear. Uh-oh, that's not good. Pull apart. I gotta get on the radio and tell the operator I'll be back. Anyway, I gotta go over. Oh, they got the mechanic over there. He come out. Okay, they got to pull apart there with the train. Anyway, they got a vac truck in here. They've been sucking out the coal from the tracks this week, and he's sucking out the pit there, the locomotive pit, where they put the locomotive under there. All right, I got 3 guys over there. They don't need me, but that's where we're at. Yesterday, like I was telling you, the ring gear on the grapple truck, which swivels around up top, busted a tooth out. So, that cribbing project got stopped halfway through the shift. Yesterday. I think I'm going up and camp that this morning. Anyway, that's where we're at today. All right. This was the project for this morning. I'm here in the siding. I had to clear up for a train. Train's about ready to leave. So this right here on curve 43 was a little out of whack spot. The alignment on it over a 62-foot cord. Anyway, we got that all fixed up, and it's nice and straight track now. And there were some cross-level deviations. And let me get up here. A little bit of this going on right there, also, which helped pull that line spot out, but it's all fixed up now. This is also right here on curve 43. It's but I'm going to, I said I'm here in the siding, had to clear up for a train. I'm going to go follow him back down and fix this spot next. All right, very good. Wednesday morning here, got a grapple truck there, and high rail excavator, and a vac truck, and a train coming. How about that? And I got my tamper warming up. I'm heading out as soon as the train comes in. Big news, and you're the first to hear this. The grapple truck's picking up ties. They're going to be working down at Cumberland Mines. That's a siding off the Norfolk Southern Loveridge Secondary. That's where all of our rolling stock was taken to by rail and then trucked up here. And I will get down to Cumberland Mines and show you that. But they're going down there to put ties in the siding because we're getting some newer rail cars. I don't know exactly how many. The word was 20 before. Somebody went somewhere in Ohio and looked at them yesterday. So there you have it. So I don't know exactly how many. Don't know the cost on them yet. But I do know we are paying Frontier Railroad to fix up that siding because Norfolk Southern went down and looked at it. The siding's too bad. A lot of gauge spots. They won't take their trains in that siding down there. Norfolk Southern does not own the siding. Longview Power Plant owns the siding, believe it or not. For what reason, I don't know. Has not even close to Longview, but they own it. Used to be owned by a private gentleman that lives just up the road here, way back when we got our other stuff in, but now we are paying to get that sidetrack fixed up. Now how about that? Happy days are here again. And I'm gonna go do a bunch of tamping today. Okay, 30 degrees this morning. Yesterday was almost 70, and it's gonna be almost 70 again today. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And we had a big, I can't see it, but we had a big full moon last night. Big one. We'll see if the werewolves come out. I just got curve 18 tamped. Train's up there loading. He's brooming the track off right now. Looks pretty good. Looks real good. And guess what? Guess what? On my geometry report, I now have all of the red done. Everything was in red is done. Got a couple yellows left. That's no big deal there. But all the red is done now. How about that? Glory, glory, glory. Okay. That track looks real good through there. All right, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Well, good morning, Thursday morning here. Boy, it was delightful yesterday, 80 degrees yesterday. It's going to get up to close to 80 again today. 37 this morning. That's not bad either. We got another train load of coal coming in. They've been running coal pretty decent this week, which is nice. So I'm gonna head out here, my tamper, and get some more tamping done today. Been tamping every day this week. Gotta keep that coal moving. Keep the lights on. Soon, pretty soon we'll have keep the air conditioners on too. That'll be nice. You hear that? He's starting to apply the brakes. Ha! I love that sound. All right. Curve 39 here. Really looking good too. Just about finished. I'm going into bridge 8. There. Got a problem. I can't run the light down, the servicing light down inside my computer. I'm waiting on a part. So I had to run out here and run it down manually. Got a contactor in the box in there. I got a screwdriver on it. Push it down and get the lights to run down. Going into the bridge. I don't want to have a whole lot of lift. Alright. Get this finished up. Okay, it's Friday. Camp between the tunnel. There's a lot of mud in there. Hard mud right now. Hard mud. Anyway, got that done. That's this morning's project. We're right here in our underpass 1. Goes underneath Cold Cat Hollow Road. Alright, we're going to pick up. I got to get cleared up for the train here in a little bit. And that's the week. That's this week. Tamp. Every day. I got pretty much everything on my geometry report done. Pretty much. Didn't get everything. This wasn't on the job. This was not on the geometry report. That's what they said they wanted me to do today. Stamp this. Okay, I did it. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching. And hope you have a really